Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome back to this new week of English 410. Over the weekend, I got a lot of emails from folks who were struggling with the original survey feedback assignment, and I want to apologize for the confusion that came with that. Normally, I teach this class in person, and we just bring printed copies of the surveys and hand them around the classroom, and that's how we exchange them, and everyone completes them during a class period, which is so much easier than figuring out how to do it online. So I clearly made a mistake in the design of this assignment, and I apologize for the confusion and frustration that may have caused you. When I created the assignment, I thought I put it in the discussions, and I accidentally put it in the assignments, which would prevent you from seeing other people's posts. So we're going to give this another shot. So this week, what I would like you to do is upload your original survey again. Upload your survey on Monday, and then you'll have until Wednesday to give your peers feedback. I will write another list of who's doing what feedback once everyone posts their surveys today. So I'll do that this evening. So please post your original survey today, before like 7 or 8 if you can. I'll get online and check the discussion board before I go to bed tonight and create those lists for you so you know exactly who you're going to be reviewing. And then you'll complete those surveys by Wednesday. As an apology for the confusion with the assignment, that original assignment, the original survey feedback that didn't work over the weekend, I'm going to give everyone who submitted to this 10 extra credit points as a bonus for being awesome and for wading through this confusing thing over the weekend. So that being said, I apologize for the confusion. The new assignment is posted in the discussion boards instead of the assignments tab, so this should work better for us. You should be able to see what other people in the class posted. You should be able to download their Word docs and fill those out and then re-upload them. So hopefully this solves the problem. If you have any further questions about the assignment, please reach out. I'm here to help. And I apologize again for the confusion of this project. Because you won't be getting the feedback from your peers until Wednesday, I'm going to bump out the Excel exercise as well. That'll be due on Friday instead. So changes coming there. With those due dates, you'll see that reflected on the calendar. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for being patient with this assignment as we all muddle through and figure out this online learning together. Hopefully we'll be back in person before too long so that we can have fun connecting with each other and handing out paper forms instead. So have a great day, guys. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions. And once again, I appreciate your patience and understanding.